Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the advantages of doing a failure modes and effects analysis, and they may not be what you think they are. I'm Nancy Regan and I'm on Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas, and we are in the Bahamas. And I was going over our cruise compass. It is a document that they leave in our room every night, and it basically shows you what's happening the next day. All of the things you can do, all the things to watch out for, the activities, the places to eat, what time we disembark and what time we have to be back on the ship. It gives you all of the information you need to make a decision about your day. And that is what reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance, and specifically failure modes and effects analysis. When we do reliability-centered maintenance, we naturally complete an FMEA. Steps 1 through 4 of the RCM process make up the FMEA. And doing a failure modes and effects analysis with a facilitated working group approach has some very significant advantages. Let's talk about the first one. When you do a facilitated working group approach to reliability-centered maintenance, you assemble a team of equipment experts, people like operators and maintainers and engineers, etc. And oftentimes, cumulatively, you have hundreds of years worth of experience in the room. So one of the advantages you might not have considered when doing it this way is that you memorialize the knowledge and the expertise of your equipment experts. So if one of your equipment experts decides to retire or move on to a different opportunity, you have already recorded a lot of what that person knows. Another advantage is that because you've got so many different disciplines represented in the analysis, it's inevitable that even the most seasoned expert will learn something about their equipment. So there you have it, 2 advantages of FMEA that you might not have considered. Number 1, you get to memorialize the knowledge and the expertise of your equipment experts. And number 2, everyone in the analysis learns something different about the equipment. And when we as humans know better, we do better. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.